Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete your LinkedIn account. So maybe you've had enough of LinkedIn and you don't need your account anymore. This is how you delete it. So from your home page, we're going to click on the little profile picture at the top and scroll down to click on settings and privacy. Another page will open. You should be on the account preferences page. And from there, we're going to scroll down to the bottom where you see account management. So you have the option to either close and delete your account or hibernate your account. So if you don't want to delete it forever, you can just hide it for a little while. Or if you want to close and delete your account, you click on it and then follow the instructions. So that's how you delete your LinkedIn account. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.